All right, so we're doing a 2009 Subaru Outback, and this car's been sitting for 6 months. We just jumped it, and as soon as we jumped it, the car started, which is really strange. And I wish I was recording because you guys aren't going to believe it. But now, anyway, regardless of that, we just cut a new key. Nick dropped something.
No, we're seeing where it's from.
Where what's from?
If it's China, Asia, or America.
Oh, good man.
It doesn't say. Let's try. This looks American made.
Okay. So he's got non-smart key, 2005 to 2012. Is communicating, switch the ignition to on. It's on. Hit OK. It's doing its thing. This is the AutoProPad Basic. Alright. Add keys is the only option. Configuring the system, please wait. Alright, just wait some more. Didn't it just do that?
It did.
Is that a immobilizer lamp? That is flashing. It's right there. It's your immobilizer lamp.
Programming success. Want to program another key?
Yes, so we are going to try this key. This was the customer's old key. It didn't work. Insert new key. Alright, so you can see that immobilizer lamp is back on. Right there with their old key. Doing this thing again. So that probably took like a minute and a half to program. Failed to communicate. Okay. It could be a bad chip, to be honest. Let's take it out and try our key. Because they said that let's see. Immobilizer lamp.
Still
It's
blinking.
blinking. Okay. Can we check? You did auto identify for here?
No. I mean, we can try American or we can try Asia.
We can try.
I just select by vehicle. There's only vehicle and type.
Go by type. Non-smart key. And then it's going to be type 1. Switch the ignition on. It's on. Press OK. So sometimes you're programming a key and it says it's failed and it actually programmed, and other times it says it programmed success and it actually failed. So you always have to double check. So the first time we went through by vehicle, and this time we're going by type, so the immobilizer type. See, still blinking. Programming success. Hit no.
Hit yes.
Okay. Oh, we can't go back now. Okay, so now we have to wait again.
You gotta program both keys.
Same thing. Same thing happened. Why are you blinking? Try and crank it once. It won't set it off.
Oh.
Okay. Yep, so that's right.
So is this?
Let's troubleshoot. Go back. Go back. You did China the first time? Do America. Non-smart key, 2005, 2012.
I'll be right back. I have to take my stuff out of the oven.
Sure thing.
Okay.
Switch ignition on. Go to function. Go back and go to function introduction.
We'll see if this works first.
Alright.
Fuck this key though, I'm not programming that.
You heard it here first.
Should offer her some Rain-X. What do you think made this shape?
That's a good question. It's got to be a special sticker.
Programming success. One program of the key.
No. Let's see.
To configuring the system, it didn't do this before.
Well, it's exiting the system.
Which it didn't do because it failed to communicate with that one.
Programming completed. Okay. Look at that. Now try and start it. He's just testing to make sure that lamp is not on. We are good to go. Okay. So that could be a different issue with the car, but the key is programmed for sure. For
Let's
sure.
try that again.
The key is programmed. Success.